This last video is for problems 22 through 24. For number 22, I know that the three angles inside of a triangle add up to 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 adds up to 180 degrees. I'll call this angle 1, this angle 2, and this angle 3. So I'm going to replace angle 1 with 65, angle 2 with 30, and angle 3 with x. I'm going to combine my like terms to get 95 plus x equals 180 and subtract 95 from both sides. X equals 85. The problem says that we want to find A, B, C though. So the middle letter is what's important here. A, B, C gets me this angle X. So and it says circle your final answer. So I'm going to write this as angle A, B, C equals, we now know X is 85. So 85 degrees. Again, we know the three angles inside of a triangle add up to 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180. I'll call this angle 1, this angle 2, and this angle 3. Angle 1 is 5x minus 2, plus angle 2 is 7x minus 11, plus angle 3 is 2x minus 3. All of those add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to combine my like terms. And I end up with 12, 13, 14x and minus 16 equals 180. I'm going to add the 16 to both sides. So I get 14x equals 196. And if I do 196 divided by 14, I get 14. But the question's asking me to find LDH. So if I follow the letters in that order, LHD, LHD, that leads me to the middle letter H. So I'm actually looking to solve for this angle. So angle LDH is equal to 2x minus 3. But I know x is 14 now. So 28 minus 3 is 25 degrees. LDH is 25 degrees. The last one, I see a triangle, but what you'll notice is if I'm looking inside of the triangle, I only know one angle. So I can't use my triangle where I say the three angles inside of a triangle equal 180 because I don't know enough information inside of the triangle to get that. So what I'm going to do is pick this picture apart a little bit, and I'm going to start with this line here and this line here. So basically I'm just getting rid of the bottom of the triangle and focusing on the top. So this is K and this is J, and there's a 146 on the outside, and I'm just for now going to call this a Y on the inside. And if you think about these two angles, and if you create your circle around them, I'm just going to extend this a little, and if you highlight those two angles, you can see that together they form half the pizza, which is called a linear pair. And so I know that the 146 plus y together form a 180 degree angle. So that makes me able to solve for y. If I subtract 146 from both sides, I can find that the measure of angle Y is 34 degrees. So what that tells me is this right here is 34. And now what I can do is I can look at the triangle, because now I know that this is 77, this is 34, and this is X. Now I can use the fact that the three angles inside of a triangle add up to 180, because I know that I've got a 34, a 77, and an X. So if I combine my like terms here, I get 111 plus X equals 180. And if I subtract 111 from both sides, I get that X equals 69. And the question is asking for KML. So KML is this angle in the corner. So the question's asking me to find X essentially. And I just did that when I got 69.